All right, let's go through our solution for a potential ice cream ad. Let's start off with our first task, which is brainstorming 5 new ice cream flavors. So let's go ahead and write a prompt for this and hit enter. So these ice cream flavors are pretty interesting, but some of them seem to exist already. For example, matcha green tea and white chocolate chunks. I think I've had that before. So let's go ahead and tell GPT-4 to change out that matcha green tea flavor. Change the matcha green tea flavor to something else. Roasted pineapple and coconut flake crunch. Okay, that's a little bit more unique. I think these are some pretty good flavors. So I gave some feedback and we went through this iterative process. So let's go ahead and generate an email. I think that the sesame honey swirl is pretty good. So let's generate an email for that. Generate an email with the sesame flavor. All right, so this seems like a pretty decent email, but it's pretty long. Let's provide some feedback. Make the email shorter. Okay, that's a shorter email. That looks pretty good. Now let's move on to part 3. Let's generate some social media ads. So let's put in my prompt. Create 3 ads for social media. Make sure to include emojis. Emojis are always fun. Okay, here we go. We have some emojis, we have some variants per different social media platform, but actually I wanted to create 3 ads for Instagram. So let's clarify that. Create 3 ads for Instagram. Now we're going through this iterative workflow where we see what GPT-4 generates, then provide feedback, and hopefully it ends up with a better result. Okay, we have some comments on what the picture can look like, what the captions are. So there we go. We just used the techniques we learned in this chapter to brainstorm some ideas for ice cream flavors, generate an email, and then create some advertisements, all while iterating through this process.